So, as you folks know, I am notorious for showing you ways that you guys can make money just living your life every day instead of working. This is the whole goal here, guys. Without further ado, let's get into my exciting new way for you to make money here today. That's right. Get paid to shop or eat or play. We have a beautiful little app here called Market Force, where you can become a secret mystery shopper, where you can go right in the store, pretend like a normal shopper, gather data, gather customer service data, try food, whatever it is. This company is better than the other ones in the sense that they reimburse you for everything that you're doing. This is huge, guys. A lot of it is restaurant too. They're gonna pay you to go out and eat. They're going to reimburse your check for you to go out to dinner and be a mystery shopper and go eat at a restaurant. This is an awesome opportunity, guys. So without further ado, let's get into it. So it's a free sign up. It's very easy, simple, and straightforward, just like the other mystery shopper apps. If you guys have done any of these, then you know that they don't take that long to get signed up for. This may be one of the fastest ways to get into self-employment, right? Because it's even faster than getting approved on something like DoorDash. This happens almost instantly. You can come right in here. I'm actually going to leave the link right in the description for you guys to sign up if you want to become a mystery shopper. But I know what the important part is for you guys. You guys want to know, how much money can I even make doing this? Well, guys, according to Google, you guys can make approximately $3,500 per month being a mystery shopper for this app. That's right, $3,500.
Whether or not that includes the reimbursement, right? Because you're getting paid your reimbursement back. I don't know the details of how that goes, but Indeed and Google, whatever you want to call it, is saying about $3,500 a month.
Which is pretty hefty. That's like $900 a week, guys. That's pretty good money. You guys could live pretty good off that. So if that spiked your interest, without further ado, let's get into the meat of the video. I pulled up this review on Clark.com because this spiked my interest, how this guy made $42 from a gig as a restaurant mystery shopper. They paid him to go shop and he made $42 from this gig. He made a whole article about this bad boy, Mr. Craig Johnson. Thank you for the article. I'm going to go ahead and just take a little details from it and share it with my audience. So basically, you're going to become a mystery shopper, you're going to get to try some new restaurants, and you're going to get to eat for free. What sounds better than that for you guys to just get to go out there and go eat for free? What you're doing when you go out is you're confirming the business hours, you're trying their product or service, and you're taking a picture of the establishment. So you're basically going to review these brands. And for instance, let me give you an example that may be like the CEO of Denny's wants to know how his Denny's location service is. So there's a job where he is having you go out and try the Denny's food and try the Denny's service, and he's going to cover the bill. He knows you're going to be there. The money's going to go to his restaurant anyway. Basically, that's what that is right there, guys. And these are pretty self-explanatory and fun apps to play around with. If you come down here, they give you a little map, right? So they'll show you all the addresses and the available shops and jobs on a map, same way that they would with the other apps I've showed you. So to show you what a little job would look like right down in here, you can see right here the shop fee is $5. This is what you're going to get paid, and you're going to get a chicken entree reimbursement up to $15, and then below it would give you the available dates that you could actually go do this. So basically, you're going to get $15 towards your meal, and then you get to pick a chicken entree, whatever chicken entree that you want. Essentially, you're going to get $20 to go do this task, in part of buying yourself a $15 meal out of that $20. It's a pretty cool concept. It's pretty simple. Definitely check this out, guys. Use my link in the description. Get signed up and do some of this free eating. I would love for you guys to get paid to eat. I want that for you guys, and I would love some smashes and some likes on the video because of it, and I'd love to hear about it in the comments too. If you guys did this, if you guys went in your general area and you went and had a meal on the house because I showed this opportunity to you guys, then please let us know in the comments about it. I love to hear your guys' success stories, especially if it led to like a T-bone steak on the house, right, guys? But I'm gonna keep this one short. I don't want to overdo it with this. I really just wanted to show you guys this opportunity. This is a really good app. They're good with the Better Business Bureau. They have really good reviews. It's a popular app, and this one, like I said, this is the one that definitely reimburses everything for you guys, as opposed to the other ones that I have been sharing with you guys. So definitely give this a shot, check it out, and subscribe to the channel, because I got more videos like this coming for you guys every single day. Have a great day, guys. Take care.